Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iiiF150 Air 2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and the recents should appear. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, just like I have right now, simply tap on this button with the square icon and the recents will appear right here. So all you have to do is to tap on clear all, and we just got back. We've got this information, but of course we can enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.